Hey everyone, welcome back! Looking for the best microwave oven to make cooking faster and easier? In today's video, I'm counting down the top 6 best microwave ovens that deliver outstanding performance, smart features, and incredible value. Whether you're a home cook, fitness enthusiast, or tech lover, there's a perfect microwave here for you. Let's jump right in and find your next kitchen upgrade. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven. Taking the number 1 spot is the Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven, one of the most reliable and feature-packed countertop microwaves available today. I love how it combines powerful performance with user-friendly controls, making everyday cooking incredibly simple. Its spacious interior easily fits large dinner plates, while multiple power levels allow me to cook everything from frozen meals to fresh vegetables with precision. The convenient sensor cooking automatically adjusts cooking time for perfect results every time. I also appreciate the quiet operation, energy-saving eco mode, and bright LED display that makes programming effortless. Whether I'm reheating leftovers, defrosting meat, or preparing popcorn, this microwave consistently delivers even heating. Its sleek stainless steel finish looks fantastic in modern kitchens and complements almost any countertop. If you're searching for the best countertop microwave oven with premium features, dependable performance, and excellent value, the Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven is easily one of my top recommendations.
Product number 2. GE Countertop Microwave Oven. Coming in at number 2 is the GE Countertop Microwave Oven, a trusted appliance from one of the most respected kitchen brands. I really like its straightforward controls and dependable cooking performance, making it ideal for busy households. The powerful heating system warms food evenly while maintaining great texture and flavor. Multiple cooking presets make preparing beverages, vegetables, frozen dinners, and popcorn incredibly convenient. The spacious interior comfortably fits large bowls and dinner plates, while the easy-to-clean interior saves valuable time after cooking. Its modern design blends beautifully into almost any kitchen style. I also appreciate the child safety lock, which provides extra peace of mind for families. Whether you're reheating meals, defrosting meat, or preparing quick snacks, this microwave consistently performs well. For anyone looking for a durable, easy-to-use, and reliable microwave, the GE Countertop Microwave Oven remains an excellent choice that's built for everyday convenience.
Product number 3. BLACK+DECKER Microwave Countertop. At number 3 is the BLACK+DECKER Microwave Countertop, an affordable option that offers excellent performance without breaking the budget. I think it's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, or small kitchens where space matters. Despite its compact footprint, it delivers powerful cooking with multiple power settings for precise meal preparation. The one-touch cooking buttons simplify everyday tasks like reheating beverages, popcorn, frozen dinners, and pizza. I especially like the large digital display and easy-to-read control panel, making operations simple for everyone. The removable glass turntable ensures even heating while making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Its stylish exterior looks clean and modern while fitting comfortably on smaller countertops. If you're searching for a budget-friendly microwave oven that still offers dependable performance and practical features, the BLACK+DECKER Microwave Countertop is definitely worth considering. It's a smart combination of value, convenience, and reliable everyday cooking.
Product number 4. COMFEE Countertop Microwave Oven. Number 4 goes to the COMFEE Countertop Microwave Oven, a compact microwave that delivers impressive performance in a stylish package. I really appreciate its minimalist design and user-friendly controls, making it a fantastic choice for smaller kitchens and apartments. The microwave features multiple cooking programs that make preparing common foods quick and effortless. Its energy-saving eco mode helps reduce standby power consumption while maintaining excellent performance. I also like the bright digital display, child safety lock, and quiet operation during everyday use. The rotating glass turntable ensures food heats evenly, reducing cold spots during reheating. Whether I'm warming leftovers, defrosting frozen meat, or making popcorn, it consistently provides reliable results.
If you're looking for an affordable countertop microwave that balances compact size, attractive design, and dependable cooking performance, the COMFEE Countertop Microwave Oven is a great option that delivers excellent value for everyday cooking.
Product number 5. Sharp SMC 1161KB 1.1 cubic foot microwave oven. Our number 5 pick is the Sharp SMC 1161KB 1.1 cubic foot microwave oven, a dependable kitchen appliance designed for consistent daily use. I like how its medium-sized interior offers enough space for family meals while still fitting comfortably on most countertops. The powerful cooking system heats food evenly, helping eliminate cold spots and overcooked edges. Convenient auto-cook settings make preparing popcorn, beverages, vegetables, and frozen meals incredibly easy. The clear LED display and intuitive touch controls simplify operation for users of all ages. I also appreciate the stylish black finish that gives any kitchen a modern appearance. The removable glass turntable is easy to clean, making maintenance simple after busy mealtimes. Whether you're preparing quick lunches or reheating dinner leftovers, this Sharp microwave consistently performs well. It's an excellent option for anyone seeking dependable quality, practical features, and long-lasting performance. Product number 6. Panasonic NN-SN75LB Cyclonic Microwave Oven. Rounding out today's list is the Panasonic NN-SN75LB Cyclonic Microwave Oven, a premium model packed with advanced cooking technology. What impresses me most is Panasonic's Cyclonic wave technology, which circulates microwave energy more evenly for consistent cooking results throughout the food. This helps eliminate cold spots while preserving moisture and flavor. The inverter technology delivers continuous power instead of cycling on and off, making defrosting and reheating much more precise. I also appreciate the spacious interior, one-touch sensor cooking, sleek design, and easy-to-use digital controls. Whether I'm preparing healthy meals, reheating leftovers, or cooking frozen foods, the results are consistently impressive. The elegant black finish adds a premium touch to any modern kitchen. If you're looking for one of the most advanced countertop microwave ovens available today, the Panasonic NN-SN75LB Cyclonic Microwave Oven is absolutely worth considering for its outstanding performance and innovative technology. Thanks for watching my top 6 best microwave ovens review. I hope this guide helped you choose the perfect microwave for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite model, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Be sure to check the links in the description for today's latest prices and deals.